Hello guys, this is Aarti and welcome to Aarti's Kitchen. Today we'll be making the custard pudding and the ingredients for it are 200 ml of milk, 2 eggs, 200 grams of sugar and vanilla essence. So let's get started. So for our custard pudding, firstly we'll make our caramel. So we have heated in a pan. To it we'll add in 100 grams of sugar. To our sugar, now we'll add in 2 tablespoons of water. We need to cook this till our sugar turns into brown color. So now our sugar has turned into brown color and we'll switch off the flame. So our caramel is ready now. We have greased in 2 bowls. So now we'll pour our caramel into it. And now in the same pan which we had made our caramel, we'll heat up our milk. Do not let the milk boil, just heat it for a while. Now add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can vary the proportion of sugar as per your choice. Our milk is now heated up. We'll switch off the flame and set it aside to let it cool on room temperature. And now we have in a bowl we have took 3 eggs with their yolks. To it we'll add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. A tablespoon of sugar. And now we'll beat the eggs. And now we'll add in our eggs to our milk. And make sure you quickly whisk it or there's a chance to the eggs to get cooked in our milk because the milk is hot. Now we'll pour our mixture into our bowls in which we have already set in our caramel. We need to strain our mixture before pouring it into our bowls. The reason for straining this is so that our mixture gets a even consistency. And now in a pan we have dipped in a kitchen towel and prepared a water bed for our bowls. And now we'll place our bowls into it. And cover our pan with a lid. And we'll let it cook for around 10 minutes on a medium flame. And now our custard pudding is almost ready now. We'll dip in a knife if it comes out dry. So it's a sign that our pudding is cooked. So we'll switch off the flame. And let it cool. And now we'll demold our bowls. Firstly with a knife we'll loosen the edges of our pudding like this so that it easily demolds. And then keep a plate upon our bowl and flip the plate to the other side. We have flipped our bowl and our custard pudding is demolded from our bowl. So guys, our custard pudding is ready now, and if you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Aarti's Kitchen. And please do try this recipe at home and drop your suggestions in the comment section below. Your suggestions and feedbacks are always welcome. Thank you so much.